Welcome to Oak Point Farm. It's the 18th of August. Our honeybees are preparing for winter. Part of that preparation includes kicking out the drones. We're coming to the end of breeding season and the drones are just not necessary any longer. As you can see, the colony is standing guard, not letting them in. The colony has been feeding these drones since early spring, and the time has come as their usefulness comes to an end. These drones will sit on the landing boards waiting for an opportunity to come inside the hive. Sometimes they make it in, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they're escorted back out. But by winter, they will all be out of the hive until next spring when the queen makes more. Just part of the mysteries of honeybees. Thanks for watching.